What's up, everyone? It's Rick here at the UTVsource.com. And this is a handful of not a time suck. In this hand is the Cognito quick pin release kit for your belt. This is going to remove the cover for quick pin disconnect system. It's not a time suck. I'll show you what a time suck is. Taking off every one of those stupid bolts is a time suck. I'll show you. Normally, we don't have our gun with us because we pack light. So you gotta use a wrench or a socket. You may have forgot it at home, or your buddy took it out of your bag and borrowed it, and now you don't have it, and you blew your belt. This is gonna make it look really fast because I got this handy dandy thingamabopper, which not everyone carries. Not the way I wanted to go. You get the point. Total time suck. My extension's now too long. But I'm at home, so I can get the right tool. But if you're on the trail, you're screwed. Can't change your belt. I'm gonna fix that. Let me show you how. Okay, well, being at home, I have access to all my tools, which is really nice. But most of us don't pack everything we need. And the last thing you need to be is out on the trail alone, and you can't change your stupid belt. And if you think it doesn't happen, it happens. It happened to me. I had bought the old Dragonfire Racing 800 Polaris when I was younger. I loaned a tool out to change the belt, and I blew my belt, and I was in the back of the pack, and everyone dipped, like they were gone. 4 hours later, pitch dark. I had no idea where I was at and where camp was at. They finally found me, and they had to tow me in because the buddy who had my tool left his side-by-side at camp, and no one else had the tool. So 20-mile tow back, all for a blown belt. Sweet. So anyways, we're gonna make sure we don't have that problem. Very simple. This is part of the pin kit. Actually, I'm impressed I'm not having to fight these going in. So there's a total of only 4 you're gonna install. You're gonna do them in the corners because that's what the directions say to do. What I like about Cognito, they have rad instructions. Really do. Check this one down. Yeah, let's put it on the bottom. Yeah, should I put it on the bottom? I should go look at the instructions. I'm gonna guess that this is where it goes. Before I waste the energy, 1 second.
A few moments later.
I was right. Comes with 4 pins. Now, the big test. Will it go on without being a pain in the ass? Did they all snap on? Oh my goodness. They all snapped on. What do you know? It works. Give it a good push. I'm gonna grab the pin. I'm gonna insert it. Give it a little tight. Tighty righty. Okay, now I want it. That's it. One. This one's probably gonna be a pain in the boot. You can see. Maybe not. That one's good. To look at my head. I don't really like where that one's at. I don't know if I put that one in the right spot. I'm thinking it goes here, here, shows there and there. Oh, am I screwing this up? I think I did. Don't fault me. It's okay. God, it's got a good seal, we know that. So, I do not like where this one's at back here. And move it. Seems like the ones underneath, and I'm sure if I refer to the directions, it's going to show me that I put it in the wrong spot. I know, the gun made it look so fast, but remember, you're not going to have the gun with you all the time. So I know it's right. So I screwed up. Oh, so good. All right. Let's try it again. Okay. The pin. Le pin. Uno. Dos. Nice. Nice. Not a time suck. And I don't need my tools. It's gonna save you a lot of time on the trail. I know it doesn't look like it on this video. You're not gonna have a gun. You may not have the right extension. And you won't lose these. Pretty trick. And it's only 4 pins. So when the belt blows, you're just gonna reach in here. Boom. Thanks, man. That's it. What is that? More stuff.
Well, that's all you need is more stuff.
Right?
If my wife got that, it'd be game over.
Thanks, bro. I shop online, like I said. Anyways, what I'm getting at is, I have these 4 screws here, right? Plus the other 5 in my pocket. Odds are you're gonna lose these along the way because you're gonna have to deal with all of this and a different extension if you have a ratchet and socket and extensions in your side-by-side, because it's going to be next to impossible to get these out with a wrench because of where it's located. So all of this, and I'm replacing it with 4 of these. Now I don't need tools to change the belt. So simple. Gonna make my life easy. So, well, I don't have to carry that impact. I carry very limited tools when I'm out on a ride. I try to, at least. I know I never have to worry about changing my belt now. I'm just gonna pull 4 pins. I don't have to worry about losing bolts in the dirt or the sand. And I don't need to depend on anyone for those tools to get a belt, so. Cognito, you got that one figured out. We got this on the website. These things are awesome. Good job. Got the instructions. I had to refer to them. But honestly, on this one, it's a process of elimination. They'll only go in certain spots because you won't be able to access the pin. It's that simple. So, if you guys don't want to time suck when you're out there riding and you blow a belt, Cognito pin kit at utvsource.com. I got some more stuff. We're gonna see what we got, and we're gonna continue. Thing's almost done, right? It's looking sick. Favorite part, probably about this whole thing is a Cognito flip up spare. Lots of goodies in there to store stuff. Speed strap. This is the UTV tie down kit. This is so you don't scratch up all your arms. This is the 1.5 inch UTV kit. It's gonna come with a speed strap tow recovery rope and 4.5 inch ratchet tie downs. I think these are rated at, I wanna say 3,000, maybe 4,000 pounds, which is more than you need. And you're gonna get these. This is a Velcro to wrap the strap around. Pretty dope. So that's what we're gonna tie this car down with. Kind of showed you guys this earlier. Cold drinks. It's a cooler bag from Assault. The cooler bag. And then we have the PRP universal bag. It's got 2 pouches here and here. Tons of storage. Pretty stoked. Keep tuning in at UTV Source on the YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, comment below. Follow us on Instagram at UTV Source. Follow the stories. Subscribe to the email list. And I swear we're almost done with this thing. I swear. I want to drive it so bad. We're almost there. See you guys later.